Once upon a time, in the skies over Telangana, a new kind of warrior took flight for the new kind of warfare. This new kind of warrior isn't a human, isn't a machine, but a bird. ये आर्टिकल मैंने सबसे पहले TOI में पढ़ी थी. If this is not called innovation, I don't know what is. Now Telangana has a squad called the Garuda Squad. पता क्या है? They are using eagles to kill drones. Missiles नहीं, jammers नहीं, पक्षियां. उनका मिशन बड़ा सिंपल है. Take down rogue drones, smugglers' toys, unauthorized drones over unauthorized spaces, VIP events के security के लिए. अब देखो पक्षियां तो trained drone hunters होती नहीं है, तो उनको सिखाना पड़ेगा. पता है कैसे सिखाते थे उनको? For 3 years, these eagles would be fed only when they would catch drone-shaped targets mid-air. Apparently पहले drones के ऊपर they would put these small pieces of meat so that the eagles can hone in and target those drones. Over the course, they learn to track, chase, and even snatch those flying objects. They can destroy the drone or they can catch it and bring it back to their handler as well. So these eagles apparently now wear tiny GPS and some of them can even carry cameras, which means these actual birds could be used as drones. लेकिन ट्रेनिंग देना एक बात होती है, लेकिन एक्चुअल में काम होता है क्या? Apparently, at the time of me reading that report, they had caught over 125 illegal drones. तो क्या ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान इनको यूज किया गया था? नहीं, वो नहीं होगा. However, I presume that पंजाब बॉर्डर में जो ओवर द बॉर्डर स्मगलिंग प्रॉब्लम रहता है, जो ड्रोन से किया जाता है काफी बार, उसमें ये ईगल्स बड़े काम आ सकते हैं. एक एडिशनल इन्फो दूं अबाउट अ लो टेक वे टू कॉम्बैट ड्रोन्स. यूक्रेन और रशिया वॉर में ना, बोथ द कंट्रीज आर यूजिंग नेट्स and sometimes metal cages to protect vital installations from incoming drone attacks. Simple nets are proving effective in jamming the drone's rotors and, them bursting before they reach their target. Moral of the story, sometimes high tech is not the answer to every problem. The answer might be the simplest tech available staring us right in our faces, but हम समझ नहीं पा रहे. यार कहानी अच्छी लगी तो फॉलो कर लो ना. My name is Shayan. I read interesting things and I try to bring them out on YouTube and Instagram. I read so that you don't have to, because I know reading is boring. Thank you so much for watching this content. Channel बिल्कुल नया है तो आपका एक व्यू काफी मायने रखता है. कल दोबारा मिलते हैं if you are following me.